Hello, welcome to this episode. We are going to be talking about the verb bo. Earlier on, we have discussed the, and now we are going to be discussing bo. Bo is also a verb to be and is a linking verb. It connects the subject to its identity, class, or permanent attributes. Remember, we said that D is for temporal and then bo is used for permanent or identity. Identity is who you are, your profession, your permanent state. Unlike D, that is used to describe a person or describe you or a location of an object. Bo is for identity. When I was giving examples in the D, I said if you want to say your profession, you can't say Adim onye nkuzi. No, you say Abum onye nkuzi, which is I'm a teacher. Bo is also used to describe your relationship with someone. Let's say your brother, your sister, your mom. The rule of bo, it is used when stating who, what something or someone is. Name, nationality, religion, or profession. So with this, you already know where to put bo and where to put be in a sentence. So the sentence structure rule is object, bo, noun or identity. In the sense, it specifies a noun or identity. For example, I am a teacher. Abum onye nkuzi. He or she is my sibling. Obo nwanne. We are Igbo people. Anyị bụ ndị Igbo. These sentences are permanent states because your sibling can never stop being your sibling. And if you are Igbo, you could never stop being Igbo. You are Igbo for life. Igbo kwezo no. So, I hope this explains clearly how to use they and bo. Keynote: bo is not used for a temporal state like I've mentioned. Emotions, looks, or location. Wrong use of bo or bocha, which is he or she is fair. No, you say odi or cha instead. So I hope it's cleared up how to use your bo and how to use your they, where and where to put bo in a sentence and where to put they, because it's always confusing knowing that bo and they is and am. I hope this clears up the confusion of where and where not to use they and bo. Yes, they are both verbs and they all both stand for is and am, but they are used differently. So let's take a quick test. So I'm going to let you take your time and answer these questions. You can pause the video while you answer them. He or she is a boy. Is that a temporal or permanent situation? I am fair in complexion. Is this a permanent or a temporal situation? They are my siblings. Is this statement temporal or permanent situation? So when you think about it carefully, using the explanation we have done, you will know which one to use. If you used bo in the first question, then you understand the explanation so far. Good job. Okay, it's a permanent state. Then if you used the for the second question, then you correct. If you don't get it right, that means you need to watch the video again to understand it. Odi ocha is a temporal state. Ha bụ ụmụnne m. So I hope you understand the use of bo and de so far. Thank you so much for watching. Ka emesianụ.